Aluminum ash rotary furnace doubles the effect of processing aluminum ash. It has a large processing capacity of the elaborate design, can produce high-quality aluminum ingots. The number of finished products is extremely impressive. High-quality second welding structure, greatly extending the service life of the equipment. All types of aluminum waste can be easily smelted to meet your diverse needs in all aspects of low energy consumption, high output returns. Choose the aluminum ash rotary furnace is to choose efficient, reliable, environmentally friendly aluminum ash treatment solutions so that your business in the recycling of resources in the road to take a solid step forward, creating a green future.